Hi, I guess I'm now recording another video and I'm going to be showing you guys my mail. I don't have very much though, so let's just get to this. That person's not off out loud because then this person is off right now, but they were really mean earlier today. Well, actually, like, I don't know how many minutes ago, but they were like, yeah, I'm going to give you my back long, and I was like, really? And then they were like, yes, for real. And I was like, okay, I'm recording. I lied because there was background noise and I didn't want to. And yeah. So it wasn't very nice. Trolled me. And yeah. Oh my goodness. I already actually looked at these because I cannot wait. But this is really nice of someone, actually. Let's go ahead and give a shout out to my buddy who's currently not on. But let's go see if we can get anybody else too. Okay. I'm recording my den if you trust me. Okay, I'm recording my den if you trust me. I guess I'm doing another one of these. I don't really know, honestly. Actually, no. Read. Oh, somebody does trust me. You do? Okay. Name of chain is name of chain name is I'm gonna keep typing this. This mellow people. This is confusing. I'm having a very hard time struggles. Dragon 148. Okay. Dragon 1 and then 4 and an 8 people. This is my chain. Okay. Obviously you guys are watching this, so I already know. Other video was trust 1, 2. I did not scam. What you done? See? Anyway, I don't know if they're really watching this. Anyway, let's go. You can only see that little part. Ignore that because it's stupid. No. This is mine. That other video. How many? 4 subscribers now? Let me reload this page. Sometimes if another person subscribes. No, 4. How many people have watched? I can't see it now. Anyway. Okay. I'm ready. I'm gonna put bad on. Let me buy bad. That is obviously a necklace. There. I just want that necklace. I like that necklace. Bad on. Okay, I'm gonna come right back to you when he starts trading me, or she. Record it. Let me trade him back what he traded me, people. And I'll show you guys what he traded me. I'm sorry. I literally thought, and then I accepted the trade before I could turn on the camera, which I mean. Oof. I just said oof. I think he's scared it's a scam. Because so many people scam nowadays. You can't trust anybody, and I do not recommend trusting people like this. Unless if you know them, don't be like him and just trust anybody because it will get you scammed just like my blue long got scammed, so yeah. Just like my blue one got scammed. Yeah, and I'm okay. I just cried for a long time. Because I worked so hard and now this is my best. I don't know. Rare striped spiked collar. Rare Viking hat. Gingerbread mask, which I don't know what that is worth. Somebody gifted it to me. Actually, it was the same person. Yeah. Never mind. I'll just search that up later. I don't know. Honestly, how much it's worth? Beats me. So yeah. Cool. I'm just going to search up for this. Because, I mean, don't we all want to figure this out? It's also common. That would be nice too, but okay. It was released. Okay, so I have no clue what it's worth. But it's worth something because I have to scroll down. 1 to 2 rims. Okay, I was expecting more. But that is okay. I mean, 100% okay. It's kind of just to me. I don't know if any of that was really rare. So yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And if you can donate anything, really, because you can see I'm not like begging for stuff. I'm just saying I'm just not really rare, and I would like to be able to do more mail times. So right now it's not looking so good. I got like 2 people in an hour. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm new at this, so I'm not really the best. And thank you. Goodbye.